Hello folks, 018 here. Got this Galaxy 66V repaired. It's jumping frequency. Receiver needle was stuck, meter light was out, and it wouldn't do crap for power. Big D, this is your radio. This is Pappy's. There's your receiver. Everything's working on it. It's got a Roger fart in it. We'll do a little video here and check him out, see what he's doing. We're going to go to the 10 watt slug to start with. Average power. This is on high RF power. RF power on high. Hello, audio, 1, 2. Hello, audio, 1, 2. 8, 9 watts. Average. And the Roger fart. Alright, we're going to go to the 50 watt slug. PDP power. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Audio. 1. About 30 watts peak. On frequency. Hello, audio. Hello. 1, 2. Need to set the echo. Anyway, you get the point. It's working. She's up and going. Big D, Pappy's radio is going. I got her all cleaned up for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. 018.